Hello everyone, and welcome to this part of the tutorial. In the previous section, we installed and prepared everything we needed to start our project. Now, in this part, we're going to dive into an exciting and practical section where we'll configure the Gifty Card plugin together to get everything ready for selling gift cards on our site. So if you're ready, let's get started. To begin, from the WordPress admin menu, we select the Gifty Card option. You will see the plugin settings page and notice that the connection is currently disconnected. First, we need to establish the connection, and then we'll move on to products and orders to implement our scenario. To connect our WooCommerce store to the Gifty Card service provider, we need the connection address, or base URL, consumer key, and consumer secret. You can obtain these very quickly and without any cost from Gifty Card. For initial testing and configuration, we obtain a test token or sandbox token. With this, we can make purchases with peace of mind, and naturally, the gift card code we receive at the end will not be a real one. Once we are confident in our system, we just need to replace it with the main or production token, ensure our wallet on the Gifty Card side is charged, and that's it. The customer will then receive a real gift card code after purchase. Here's how to get these credentials. We enter the address giftycard.pro/API and click on Access to the Sandbox. If you're not logged in there, it will first ask you to log in. Membership and login are done in a few simple steps. But if you're logged in, like me, it will display a form with your default information. If needed, change the information and click on Request Token. Your request has been successfully submitted. Access information will be sent to the technical contact's email. After you do this, those three pieces of information we needed will be emailed to us: the base URL, consumer key, and consumer secret. I'll copy and paste the information exactly as I received it and click on Save Changes. It's that simple. You'll see that we're connected and it displays our wallet balance. When you get a sandbox token, typically your wallet is initially charged with $100, which is of course for testing, and the final code you receive is not real. So far, the connection between our WooCommerce and the Gifty Card service provider has been established and we are online. In the next part, we'll go on to determine how our orders will be automatically processed. Thank you for staying with us so far.